we found some coconut candy me anti pahana thiyena oil issue. Okay, so you can just be complete no. Sudan 3 එකත් කරාම ඔක්කොම ටික. So you can't say I skipped anything practicals, right? Within 2 hours, all the practicals are done, right? ගාලා microscope practicals ටිකත් කරලා ඉවරලා you can go home. I have exams tomorrow. Okay. So let's just do the Sudan 3. Online students, please join again. We can do the Sudan 3, right? Right. Read about Sudan 3. Okay. Practical number 4. Online students, please join again. Sudan 3 is a red fat soluble dye that is utilized in identification of lipids, triglycerides, and lipoproteins. Sudan 3 reacts with lipids or triglycerides to give a red stain. Okay, you can write about red fat soluble dye. You can say it's a what? A non-polar dye, right? Write with a pen. Above it, it's a red color non-polar dye. So with time, okay, it's a non-polar dye. What's the test? About 2 milliliters of oil into a test tube, equal volume of water into the same test tube, few drops of Sudan 3 and shake well. Red stained oil layer separates on the surface of the water. Right? Usually oil has less density than water, right? So oil is supposed to float on the water. Okay, let's try then. It smells exactly like thinner, right? Thinner is what? Acetone, right? Acetone is non-polar. What are we adding? We are adding some coconut oil. Can you see? Distinct separation of the coconut oil and the water layer. If you try to mix it, is it going to mix? No, they don't like each other, no? They don't like each other, so it's not going to mix. Online students, can you see? Right? You can see the water layer and the oil layer above, right? Because the water is for polar and the oil is non-polar. Right? Sudan එකට we use this one for what? To take biuret reagent, right? Yeah, it's fine. You see, it's like blood red color because it's concentrated, right? So this is our water and oil. Okay, so we are going to add our Sudan 3. You see, it's so slowly invading the oil, right? Slowly going down, slowly dissolving in the oil. Can you see the dye layer? So this is the many like the separating layer, right, between the water and the oil. Can you see the dye slowly dissolving in the oil, slowly, right? Take up right? Let's use the rod then. Can you see? Now the entire oil layer is colored red, right? Because there's some water in the coconut oil as well, right? But it will take time. With time, the oil will again settle nicely and the colored oil will remain above. Okay? Can you see online paper? The underneath the oil layer, so below layer is the water layer, and then we have the non-polar oil layer that is being colored by Sudan 3. Simple basic test. Okay? Any questions? Any connection issue? Online students video issue? No, right? So highlight red stained oil layer separates the surface of the water. Color of the water remains unchanged. Right? Highlight, that is the what? That is the observation. Right? Observation.